What's going on, y'all? Today, we're processing the rest of these meat birds. I got about 7 of them I gotta get done up. I had about 38 of them. I saved these last little bits so I can make a little video. Plus, these are the ones I'm gonna keep for over the winter time. Anyway, this is my little setup. I'm using these vinegar bottles cut up. I had a kill cone, but that thing is trash. So I'm gonna be using that. Got buckets to catch the blood. Then I got this. It's like a dual burner. I think it's Viva Home. Yep. And I'll put that, I'll put links to everything in there. But I'm gonna use this one to put the bags on. And this one is where I'm gonna scold them in. They say you want it to like 149 or 148. So I try to do it right before it hit 150. Dunk them in there. And this right here, this is my Plucker. This thing saves like so much time. I used to do it by hand. You don't understand. This thing saved my back. My back was, whew, when I first started. I had it for a couple years, so it's actually pretty good. It's one of the Amazon ones, so it's pretty good. And then I use this because of the stainless steel top. So it's this little island that I got a couple years back. So, but yeah, so that's all the equipment. So this is it. I'm gonna take this one, take it over there, get started. All right. So what I normally do, grab him by the feet, hold him upside down, get him to calm down. Put my surgical mask on, and then I put him in here. There you go. And what I do is I cut behind the neck. Like right here, you slit right here, and on the other side. And that's what I do to drain the blood out. All right, so after we slit the throat, let the blood drain, then we take it, put it in the water. It was at 150, maybe a little bit below 150, so hopefully it won't burn the skin. What you don't want to do is have the skin burn off, so I dunk it a few times. Like once. Two. Check the feathers. They say when these come off easy, it should be ready. It ain't coming off yet. One more time, we should be good to go. Should be. No, not yet. Up. One. Not yet. It's coming off good on this side. We're too hot. As you can see, I ripped the skin a little bit. That's what happens when the water's too hot. It happens. These are for me, so I ain't worried about it. Take it over to the table. You pop the head off. Let me get the rest of these feathers off. There's a little bone right here. You go in the middle of there. You shouldn't have to cut too hard. You see? Snap right off. Same thing with this. Underneath. Got me looking bad in these streets. Nah, there you go. Same thing. This little bone right here. All right, come right off. They have a little oil sac right here. I cut that off. This thing, like a little oil sack. Cut that off. So it looks like that. Then the neck is already cut open, so they have a crop. You separate from the breast. It's already separated this right here. So take that off the skin. But yeah, this is their crop. This is what he's been eating, a little acorn in there. But it's all good. Every now and then, you know, things don't really go according to plan. It ain't pretty all the time. So that's done. Whoa. And then what I do is make a slit right here. And then you open it up. See that? Open it up. Now reach in. Bring it around, detach everything on the inside. Pull it on out. Boom. All the guts. It's the heart. Okay. And then what I do, cut around a little booty hole. Get that out of there. You also got to get the lungs out. They normally on the back. That's a lung. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for tuning into this one. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of them. But yeah, this is it. You know, look a little, chest a little beat up, but you know, it happens. But yeah, hopefully the rest of them will turn out a little better. But yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in. But that's how I process my birds. To the next one.